Hi guys, welcome. Today we're in Starbucks to discuss about some really interesting topics. I have Ellie with me and Lisa. We're going to talk about success because there's going to be a lecture on the 5th of April from Dr. Thijs Leister about success. And we wanted to discuss a bit about this topic before we go into the lecture and see actually how people think about success. Success to me, I wish I could define it, but I don't know.
So success to me would be like maybe studying, having high flying colors, having a good time with my family as well.
I think success to me is being happy with what you're doing, being recognized by others for your talents.
I agree with you guys. And there's an interesting dimension to that. I think where you come from affects how you perceive success. I'm from Turkey and we're quite a collectivistic country. So when it comes to success, it's most of the time a teamwork. Just like when Ellie called her mom when she was about to get scammed. That's how people support you when you're about to be unsuccessful in life.
For Vietnamese people, I think we're really family oriented in general. For example, in my mother's family, there are 5 family members. But as long as one of us succeed, then I think all of us are happy for that person.
We focus so much on actually succeeding our goals that we forget about what success means to us. Is it something that we personally, individually do, or is it something more collective?
There's a very interesting example about success with collectivism. Taiwan is a very collectivist society. The government had a lot of strict rules on corona measures. When I was video calling with my grandfather at home in Taiwan, he even wore the mask inside the house. Everyone really followed the rules, and I think that is what made the number of infected cases in Taiwan really low during the pandemic.
With the current trend, when people are really stepping off their comfort zone, it's actually defining more different types of success. So they don't have that fear anymore of being different from the social norm.
Yeah, we have a lot of ideas about success and how it works, but I think we should get more opinions from other people to see how they feel about this concept.
Yeah, shall we? Let's get on.
I'm Maria.
I'm Carol.
My name's Nicholas Dion. I come from Austria.
My name is Rifat bin Wadud.
I'm Ben.
I'm Laura.
I'm Yerba. I'm 21 and I'm a student here at the ESSB.
If you have your own goals and you set your own goals and you actually achieve those goals.
When you are in a job or something that you feel happy and that you think you're being productive there and that you're learning.
It's also whatever makes you happy.
Success that I experienced today while preparing my own rep for the first time. So I think it's about making your own goals and then trying to achieve them.
I would say there's also a social aspect to it, because if I feel like people are, socially people are seeing me as successful, I also feel for myself that I'm more successful.
Yeah. Personally, success is when I feel content with myself and when I'm making people around me happy.
I follow one motivation model, that a SMART model, a specific, measurable, relevant, time-bound, achievable.
People around me are a big motivation for me. I love the feeling of seeing that other people are proud of me.
I grew up in a European household and my mom is German and she was very success means good grades. I lived in Brazil. That was quite different. They were as long as you're happy.
I'm from the Netherlands and I do think it has an influence. We base success off on how much money you make and how hard you work.
I think it's more seen mainly as an on your own type of thing.
Yeah.
But it also depends, because for example, I'm not going to say that in bands, for example, like musical bands, it's an individualistic hustle, because it's not.
Yeah.
As a group, you can create a goal and then work together to achieve that goal. Fairly relevant one actually now with the Ukraine crisis is something we've had here is where all the students got together and they started donating. They had this same goal to help the people in Ukraine, and then achieved it just by going to shops buying.
It's individualistic and because different people have some different opinion of success.
Definitely individual. For example, in the academic thing, some people are very unhappy with a certain grade where others are saying, oh no, that's successful for me because of that background what I have and because of the goals that I have. So
I think it's a combination of both, but hard work is very important, otherwise you can't depend on luck.
Some people that are born in rich families, they obviously have this luck.
If we weren't brought up in a privileged background, we probably wouldn't be here. And so I feel like it's definitely luck as well.
Some people thought success is a luck, but I don't believe that. Some people first time get the success, and the other people thought he is very lucky, but that's not the thing. Maybe that person is good on that particular thing. That doesn't mean who is fail, he not become successful in second time or third time or fourth time.
There's like a German saying, preparation that you do meets like the probability. If you like prepare a lot, you can get lucky in it.
We came to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Also see that all of our students have really different opinions regarding success.
So if you guys are interested in hearing more about this topic, follow us and join Dr. Thijs Leister in his lecture on the 5th of April.